Urgun Schnabek. Gegetue, Hageimida Migwetchen de Nakondak.
I say thank you to the young people that came and shared the language. And so it is. And how I wanted to wish long ago that for us that we stand in this circle I am very happy for them that they did this. Look at how we stand as a Anishinaabe people, as we stand here, standing in this circle. It is that strength that we have as a Anishinaabe people. We stand as one. The Creator put us here as an Anishinaabe and was given the spiritual life. Fire, water, earth, and the wind. And they were put here together for us to look after on this earth. The Creator of all things that we hold highly were given the 7 teachings. Love, honesty, truth, respect, wisdom, humility, and bravery. And so the Creator, together for us to look after one another, to respect what had happened, to respect what is happening now, and to respect what is yet to happen. And so it is one of the teachings that I was taught as to how to begin here in this circle, and I really respect this old man that taught us that. And when you stand around in this circle together as chiefs, we were given that. Take care of it. Use it. And when you return to your homes, when you start the things where you come from, and to use these teachings. Miigwech.